All right, so today we're gonna start digging, putting some irrigation sprinklers on this lawn here. So we're digging the trenches right now, and there's some old pipe there. So we're gonna redo the pipes, go underneath this cement to connect to the valves over there, and then oh god, what's this? Oh man, that's a little guy. So it's cute, man. Yeah, we're gonna be nice to this guy and let him go. See his face? He's cute. All right. Okay, so we gotta go under this concrete, and we've covered this before in another video, but we're gonna go ahead and do it again. So what we've done here is we gotta go from these valves right here, and they gotta feed under there. So we're gonna got lines going to the grass area, and then lines going to the planted areas over there and over here. So we've got the trench here, and what you want to do is make sure you have enough depth there, so that way you're below the concrete. Okay. Anthony started us up a little bit, so we got a little tunnel under there already. We're going to finish it off with by jet streaming it with a pipe. So important thing here too is make sure that you have enough length here. We've gone like about, I think it's about 9 feet. The idea is to make sure that you have it, that you're going with the pipe straight. So that's why you're gonna come down, gotta dig out. So the pipe is going straight underneath. Because if you start going to the slant, if it's not right, you'll start going down, and you'll miss the target. So you want to make sure that it's straight, and that's why you have the trench as long as it is. So you can keep that straight pipe going across. So I also want to go a little bit over the assembly of the jet stream pipe. So right here at the end is just a nozzle that's going to shoot the stream. And then we have a male adapter, 3/4 inch. And then we have a pipe, which is about 9 feet long. And at the end here, so we're hooking up to regular garden hose. And then we have this connector right here. It's actually a special connector that you use for the PVC pipe to connect the water hose, and you can buy that at Home Depot or any hardware store. You just gotta make sure that the threads are for hose bib. All right. So I'm gonna start here.
Okay, so we got when we've been doing it. Go ahead. You get hard spot, just let the water work a little bit. And then press stop.
There you go. All right, so you can see how it punctured through already. Push it through. So go ahead, push it through. So it's already gone through the stream. And you see the pipe there? Okay, so it's all the way through. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that, and then we're gonna cut that, and on each end, and we're going to use that particular pipe to stream through our drip line. Okay, so we're going to go, and then we're going to go again and put another pipe side by side with it, so we can have our irrigation for the grass. Okay, so we've cut that pipe there. That's how it's going to look, and then we're going to feed the drip line pipe through that. And we've talked about the drip line and how, you know, it's more of a shallow pipe. So that's one of the reasons why what we'll do is we'll feed the drip line through that, so we don't have to worry about any collapsing on the pipe. Okay, so the parts that we cut out, there's the parts that we cut out, right? So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and use that and put another pipe there on it, and we'll reuse it. All right, so we're gonna do the next one, and it's gonna be right on the side of the other pipe. And it should be a little bit easier because you kind of have the tunnel already with the first pipe. So we'll go ahead and hit that right now. All right, so looks like it's going pretty easy. There we go. And we're pretty much through there. So that was pretty quick. All right, covers that. Okay, we got that lateral line connected to the valve that we're going to use, and it's all connected here. Hang on. Okay.
so that's going to feed that drip line to the 4-inch pipe. 2 3/4 inch pipe. So this one, I'm going to see this pipe, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm putting it in there. We got stuff all over the house. Can you get it up from that side? Yeah. See if we can get it from that side. Can you fix it over there? What's that? That's good enough. That's really cut off. Oh, yeah. Can you put the two in it? And put it in. Yeah, okay. Pull it out more for yourself. Well. No, not that end, not that side. Oh, yeah. Yeah, cut it off. Cut it off. Let it pull it off. Cut it off. It's too deep in there. More for yourself. I can actually go this way. Yeah, well, put that in that pipe first. Yeah. Just put it over here. You want to touch it, because it's going to go down with it. You want some to collapse. Okay. Right, good. Right, can I get that? And we go that way, I think that. Is that wire cut off right there? Yeah, maybe. Is it cut off? Yeah. No, it's not. Go right here. No, I think I got it. Just go right there. I'm just going to go right underneath. There you go.
All right, so I'll show you what we've done here. So the drip line is going inside 3/4 inch pipe. It's to protect it because it's a little bit deep here. And then once we get to the grass area, then we're going to go back up and pipeline will be on the surface in the planters. Let's see how it is right here. It's up here on the surface. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. Yeah, here Anthony's doing pretty good. He's got the pop-ups in there. There's a little swivel joints. Very flexible to work with. If it get hit, it won't crack the pipe because it's on like a shock goes over there. So I think he's got another 2 more to put in, and then we're gonna test it out. See how Benjamin's doing over here. God damn it, he's doing a good job. All right. Set her over there. All right, so we're flagging out our pop-ups that we got going on here so we can reposition them, find out where they're at and reposition them.